How to enable USB debugging on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable USB debugging on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here this one, about phone, and here you will find this one, build number. Just click on it 5 times and then just go back, and here you will find you can find it here, developer options, or just click on system, and here we'll find it, and then just scroll down until you find this one, USB debugging. Now just click on it if you want to enable it and click OK, and that's it. That's how to enable USB debugging on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.